thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lafayette Parish in south central Louisiana, northwestern St. Martin Parish in south central Louisiana, southeastern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 5:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Grand Coteau, or near Arnaudville, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lafayette, Opelousas, Scott, Breaux Bridge, Carencro, Krotz Springs, Leonville, Arnaudville, Melville, Sunset, Port Bar, Henderson, Grand Coteau, Cancton, Cecilia, Atchafalaya National Wildlife Refuge, and Atchafalaya Welcome Center. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time for South Central, Central and Southwestern Louisiana.